Rosian Almendralejo. Jersey number 12, silver, Faith Bangyao. Jersey number 13, Janine Maya. Jersey number 18, their team captain, Brianna Nicola Ann. And their starting libero is our jersey number 14, Luchin Vivero. Head coach of Team Bacolod City, Sir Mel Danilias. Good luck and God bless to both teams. Of course, we are reminding all our spectators to please turn off the flash of your camera. Again, we are reminding all our spectators to please turn off the flash of your camera. And also, we are reminding you all to please observe Play-Go or clean. Score for Team Bacolod City, 1-0. Still serving, Wula. By Team Bacolod City. Still serving, jersey number 4, Wula. Service out. Score for Team Bacolod.